Outstanding bills are part of every business. Receivables and payables can become unmanageable if not tracked. Imagine the luxury of not going through all your ledgers to track your receivables and payables. With Tally ERP9, details of all your receivables and payables are available at the click of a button. Activation of Billwise details of open bills in Tally ERP9 can help you track receivables and payables and also compute interest on overdue bills. The option to provide bill references is integrated with sales and purchase, which helps in recalling the respective bills in receipts and payments. The bills outstanding from the customer are displayed in receipts voucher with their unique bill references. The amount received against bill references will update the respective pending bills. Similarly, the payables to a vendor are displayed in payment voucher. Payments can be made against particular pending bills. The outstanding reports for receivables and payables are updated till the last transaction. Any amount received in part against an invoice can be isolated and receivables would immediately be updated. In the same way, amounts received and paid in advance are treated appropriately. Identifying and contacting the parties of outstanding ledgers is no sweat. Simply click Contact on the right of the Pending Bills report and you will have quick access to his address and telephone number. Tally ERP9 gives you an edge in organizing your receivables and payables, resulting in better cash flow and savings on interest.